Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Farm chores demand footwear that can handle mud, water, and long hours on your feet. The best rubber boots for farm work provide durable protection, slip resistance, and all-day comfort, keeping you safe and dry no matter the conditions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TIDEWE Neoprene Rubber Boot. The TIDEWE Neoprene Rubber Boot is built for people who refuse to let wet, cold, or muddy conditions slow them down. Designed with 100% waterproof CR Flex Foam, these boots create a dependable barrier against moisture while staying surprisingly flexible as you move. Whether you're working on the farm, hunting in damp fields, or handling outdoor chores in rainy weather, your feet remain completely dry and protected. The material also absorbs impact effectively, helping reduce strain during long hours on your feet. One of the standout features is its impressive insulation performance. Engineered to retain and reflect up to 90% of your body heat, these boots are comfort rated from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for both freezing mornings and chilly afternoons. Despite the insulation, they remain lightweight, preventing that heavy, clunky feel common in traditional rubber boots. The 4-way stretch nylon enhances comfort further by adapting naturally to your foot and calf movement. Protection is another strong point, thanks to the reinforced toe area that adds durability and shields against accidental bumps or minor impacts.
Number 2. TerraTrax Durable Rubber Boot. The TerraTrax Durable Rubber Boot is engineered for serious outdoor work across all seasons, delivering both warmth and durability in challenging environments. Unlike standard boots that rely on 5mm insulation, TerraTrax upgrades to 6mm premium neoprene, providing enhanced thermal retention without sacrificing breathability. This thoughtful balance ensures your feet stay warm during icy mornings, yet comfortable during muddy afternoon chores. The moisture-wicking air mesh lining further prevents overheating, making these boots ideal for transitional weather conditions common in farming and construction settings. Waterproof performance is exceptional. The high-grade rubber shell forms a reliable shield against deep mud, melting slush, and standing water. Whether you're navigating wet fields or spring gardens, moisture stays out. The self-cleaning outsole prevents mud buildup, maintaining traction and stability on slippery surfaces. Comfort is clearly prioritized with a shock-absorbing cushioned insole that reduces fatigue during long hours on concrete, gravel, or rocky ground. Number 3. Showave Garden Rubber Boot. The Showave Garden Rubber Boot delivers a balanced combination of insulation, durability, and everyday comfort for outdoor enthusiasts. Built with reinforced rubber shells and 5mm neoprene insulation, these boots provide full waterproof protection while maintaining excellent heat retention. They are designed to perform in temperatures ranging from -15 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for year-round use. Whether you're working in soaked pastures, wading through shallow creeks, or handling farm chores in harsh climates, your feet stay dry and warm. Comfort plays a central role in the design. A CR Flex Foam insole cushions each step, while the 4-way stretch nylon collar moves naturally with your foot to prevent stiffness. The breathable liner helps wick away sweat during long hours of wear, reducing discomfort and keeping feet dry from the inside as well as the outside. Durability is enhanced for a scratch-resistant upper that withstands rugged use in fields, gardens, and wooded terrain. Stability is another highlight. Number 4. Hunthor Lightweight Rubber Boot. The Hunthor Lightweight Rubber Boot is designed for demanding work environments where safety and warmth are non-negotiable. Featuring 3M 800-gram Thinsulate Ultra insulation paired with 7mm neoprene, these boots trap body heat efficiently while still allowing necessary air circulation. This balance ensures reliable warmth during cold weather tasks without causing excessive sweating. Whether working outdoors in winter conditions or tackling farm duties in chilly rain, your feet remain insulated and protected. Safety is a major strength of this boot. The steel toe construction shields against falling debris and heavy materials, offering dependable protection for construction, industrial, and agricultural settings. The updated design enhances fit and durability while resisting cracking under stress. Additionally, the 1100N puncture-resistant midsole layer and integrated steel shank protect against sharp objects on the ground, adding another layer of workplace security.
Waterproof performance is achieved through a full rubber shell with sealed seams and neoprene lining, ensuring moisture stays out in muddy or wet conditions.
Number 5. Showave Yard Rubber Boot. The Showave Yard Rubber Boot is designed for everyday outdoor tasks while maintaining comfort, breathability, and reliable waterproof protection. Built with a fully waterproof rubber exterior and 5mm neoprene lining, these boots keep feet dry and insulated in wet and cold conditions. Whether you're gardening, walking the dog on rainy days, or managing yard work after a storm, they provide dependable moisture protection and shock absorption. The diamond-lugged outsole delivers impressive traction on slippery, muddy, or wet surfaces, helping you stay stable during outdoor chores. Comfort remains a priority throughout the design. A breathable mesh sandwich fabric lining improves airflow, reducing sweat buildup during extended wear. The mid-height shaft can roll down to ankle height, increasing ventilation and flexibility when conditions allow. Inside, a cushioned memory insole with ergonomic arch support enhances all-day comfort and can be removed for cleaning or replacement. Choosing the right pair of rubber boots can transform your farm work experience. With durability, comfort, and reliable protection, the best rubber boots for farm work make every task easier and safer. Invest in quality footwear and step confidently through mud, water, and challenging terrain all season long.